All right, we're going to sell you choice out of these combines. I'm going to give you a choice on both of them, the one with the cab, one without the cab.
It's super nice. The paint's on the
And then I'll tell you that we got an extra reel. That reel's been up there in the barn up front there. We'll sell that here in a moment. That'll work. Folks, keep in mind he farmed with these, not that here like 2000, in the 2000s they were still farming here, still running these machines here. Help yourself here. Have you... Watch yourself behind.
Hey, watch out behind!
Watch out behind. I think you're clear.
Yes, clear!
You're clear, Bob. Has he never done that? He said he's never engaged this thing. Stand clear might be a business. The auger. Never engaged. Anybody wants to help him, that'd be great. Oh, you said you had a run the first time, so it must have been the one here on the left then, right? There you go. Okay. There you go. All right. Good deal. All right, boys, gonna buy this one here. All right. Hey, Bob, you want to start the other one now? If you don't mind, then I'm going to get a choice of these. You're going to buy the heads are going to go with it. We'll get the corn head separate. We've got a chopper back here, and we got an extra cab, and of course this extra reel over here. So we're going to give you a choice out of these two combines here. A 55 EV square body with the cab, 6-cylinder gas, electric start, 12-foot greenhead straw chopper, 16,926 fronts. And of course the 55 here open station, we call it an 11-foot greenhead with a chopper, 14,926. Both of them have choppers on them. Bradley, both of them have choppers on them. You get an extra chopper back here.
Chopper's off now.
Okay, so that chopper does go with that combine. Okay. All right.
I know, I am.
There we go. 5 to get 10, 10, 5 to get 10, 10. It might take them both. At 5 to get 5, to get 10, 10. Now 5 to get 10, 750. At 5 to get 750. It's 500 now. 75 here, 750. At 5 to get 75, here to get 75, here to get 75. Now 1,000. That's 7.5 here, $1,000. To get 75, now 10 here. It's 7 to get 1,000. 7 to get 1,000. To get $1,000. 7 to get 1,000. It's 7.5 here to get 1,000. 7.5. Boys, these will do the same thing as the other ones. Just a whole lot less money. And guess what? You don't have to call John Deere to come out and fix them. You can fix them yourself. $7,500. To get 7 to get down here. 7 to get 1,000. It's 7 to get down. 7 to get 1,000. To get down here. 7 to get down. And if you need tires, you might want to get in. $7,500. To get 7 to get down here. 7 to get 1,000. $1,000. Anybody else? Last call. 7 to get 1,000. That's out. Mark, you went in? $1,000. Mark, you can farm your own place. You don't need Bernie anymore. 7 to get down. Here to get down. Here to get down. Give me $900. Anybody? 7 to 900. 900. And it gets 99. Did you do it? Yes, 99 here. 900. Anybody else? 900. $800 real quick. It's 800, 900, 900, 900 on here. 10, 10, 9, 10. Hit 10 here. Take another drink. Help me last night. Hit 9, 10. 9, 10, 10, 9. Give it a 10, 10, 9. Give it a 10, 10. John, you want it here? 9, 10. Hit 9, 10, 9. Give it a 10, 10. Give it a 9. Give it a $1,000.
Where are you going to go to find them?
That's right. Where are you going to go find them? I know they're old boys, but they're still good. Look at BF. He's old there, and he's still driving a topper truck. He's still good, right, BF? That's right. I got 900, now 1,000, hit 9 here. I hate to sell them, that's too cheap on them, but I'm going to sell them if we're done. Hit 9, hit a 10, hit a 9, hit a 10 here, 9,000. $1,000 going once, 950 on a quick deal. Bradley's, that man want to pay 950 or not? $900, Caleb, you want one or both?
Just out.
Takes the open station. Open station. That would be with no cab, Lenny. Caleb, what's your number?
59.
59. Now, guess what? You know the good part about this is you got an opportunity to buy another one. This one's got the cab on it, okay? And it's got tires on it. It's got a good motor. You're going to buy the other 55 EV with the cab. Right here, somebody have to get 1,500, give 1,000. They got down 500, 7.5. Hit 500, 7.5. 5 here, 750. At 500, get 7.5. Buy here to get 750. Hit 500 now, 7.5. Hey, Caleb, what if you need the parts? What if you need the parts? 500, 7.5, 5 here to get 750, at 5 here to get 7.5, here to get 7.5 here, now 7.5 here, 600, 700, and to get 6 here, now 7, and to get 600, now 7.5, here to get 7. I'll tell you one thing, it makes somebody a good, cheap backup. If you're a small farmer, you need a little backup machine. This might just be the one you should be eyeing. It still fits through bridges too. 600, 700, to get 7, to get 7, 7.5, here to get 7, here to get 7 here, 650, and now half here, that I need here, and half here to buy here. Hey Todd, that makes you a good one. 600 now, 50 now, half here, here and half at the end, get $650. Bill, where you want in? 650. You find the man that wants this, you make some money. That's 650 now, half here, here now, half here, $650 and die. We're going to charge a buyer's premium on this piece because we don't have enough money. Is that all right? No, that's not all right. Okay. That's 600 now, here now, half sold. $600. Better number.
135.
135. Now we're going to say the 2-row corn head. On the corn head, Bradley, ask you what he wants to do on the corn head. Bradley, ask you what he wants to do on the corn head. Right here, get 5, 5, get 5, 5, get 5, here, get 5. Give me a start, Bradley. And then get 5, 5, here, get 5, 5, here, get 5, 5, get 5, here, get 5 here. 250. And 2.5, here, get 2, get 2, so we get $200 on the corn head. 100 here, 50, 75, here, get 75 here, 75 there. Here, get 75 here, now 75, now 100, get 75, now 100, Caleb. It's 7,500 in here now. What's a combine good for if you don't have a corn head? It's 75 now, yeah, okay. It's 75 now, 100 now, 75, little one here now, 100 now, quarter, 125, 100 and a quarter, now half, 100 and a half, 100 and a half, 75, 175, 175 here, 75, 200, and a 175 to get 2, now 75 to get 200 to 1.
You're never going to find one that night.
No, you're not going to find one that nice, that's right. And somebody could use that. 175 to get 200, 175 to get 2, now 75 to get 2, 175 to get 200, all in, all done. Sold them 175, buyer number
152.
152. Now you're going to buy the cab, then we got a reel over here. Right here on the cab there, somebody the other day, hey, make you a good deer blind. Right, deer stand, right here. Somebody
Caleb needs a cab.
Give me $100 on this here. We got 100, get 50. Somebody get $50 on the cab. Somebody get 50. Hey, Caleb.
It's going to be cold. It's going to be cold.
Get a cab for it. Get $25 for that cab. Wouldn't make a good deer stand, no kid. 25, thank you, 50. Hit 25, then you get 35, here you get 25, then you get 35, 25, then you get 35. Sold them $25, bidder number 93. Now we're going to sell you this old wood reel back here on the head reel. Right here, somebody have it, then you get 100, you get 50, somebody get 50, you get 25. It'd be something kind of cool to do. You could use that, let your chickens roost on it. Do something, 25. Thank you. Now 50. Then you get 25. Then you get 35. Then you get 25. Then you get 35. 25. Then you get 35. Sold them $25. Same way as the cab. All right. Buy this gravity wagon right here. Right here on the first one. Right here. So they get 25. 8-ton gear there. They get 25. They get 2. They get 1,000. Hey, they get down 500. 7.5. 5 here. 750. Hit a 5, here to get 75, here to get 75, here, 7, 600. Hit 500, 600, now 7. Here to get 6 here, now 7. Hit 600, now 7, here to get 7 on the wagon. Here to get 7, 7, here to get 7. Here to get 7, 7, 7, 800, 800, 800, now 8, sir. 800, 800, 7.5, 800, 800, now half, sir. 8.5, 8 here, 50, 8 here, 8.5. Where are you buying wagons? Look at that thing. 800, 8.5, 800, 58.5 here, now 58, you buy it for 1,000, you're just fine. 800 now, 8.5, 50, all in, 8.5, 8.25, 850, about there, new fire, now 75, 875, 900, 900, 9.25, and 9.25, 9 here, 25, 9 here, 9.25. Sold $900, bidder number 153. Thank you. You're gonna buy this little J&M here with a Corey gear again. Hey, they got top number, they got 500, 2.5, 500. They got 2 number, no 5. Yeah, 2 number, they got 5, 5. Here they got 2 number, 5, 5. Here they got 5. Get 4, 400, 400, 500. And now 600, 600, 600, 600. Now 7. And they got 7, 7, they got 7, they got 7, they got 7 here. Now 7, 6, 7 here, 650. And now 7. They got 7, 7, they got 7 here. Now 7. If they got 7 here. Now 7, 7. Now 50. 7.5 here. Now 50. It's 7.5 here. Now 7.5 here. Now quarter. That's 7.25 now half. 7.25 now 50. That's 7.25. They get 50 now. 50. 750 now. 50 now. 75. Then they get 75. 750 bid. 75. Then they get 775. Now 800. That's 75. Then they get 75. Then 800. Sold them 775 on 100. 100's the buyer. All right, we're gonna pull you up here to this nice boys. Here is his dad built this gravity wagon all out of tongue and groove wood here. You're gonna buy it there, so on the wagon, so that right here. BF, you might as well start making the bend. There's a wagon that'll be last. So right here, make the bend. Right here, so they get 5, 5, here they get 5, 5, here they get 5, so they get 500 on the wagon. And they get 5, here they get 5, 5, here they get 5, so they get 200. Here's 200 on the wagon, here they get 50, now 100 on the wood gravity wagon. Where would you find another one of these? 50, now 100 does the same thing as the other ones, just wood instead of metal. 50, they got 50, now 50, 75, and they got 75 here, 75 there, 75 on the wagon, now 100, and now 100 down, 75, now 100, they got 75, now 100.
She's at 75.
She was at 50, he's at 75, give me $100, 75, now 100.
100.
100, 100 quarter, the 125, now 150, 150, the 125, 150, 175, 175, the 175, 75, where are you going to find another one? 175, 200, 200, 200, 200, 2 and a quarter, the 225 here, 2 and a quarter, the 225, then you get 2 and you're out. I got 200 here, 2 and a quarter, you want in, 2 and a quarter, 250, then 2 and a half, Mr. River, 250, then 2 and a quarter, 2, then 2 and a quarter, 2, then 2 and a quarter, 250. Mr. River, you know you're out. You'll be 250. Huh? Sold it $225 bidder number. All right, turn left. All right, these 2 wagons will be towards the end of the sale, boy. We're going back to the middle row there. I'm going to give you a choice out of these 2 gravity wagons, or choice out of the 2 gravities right here. One is. All right, you're gonna buy here, somebody right here, right here, here. You have choice of the 2 McCurdy wagons. One's got a Kobe gear. I'm not sure what's the name on that gear right there. The tag underneath it. Right here, choice of wagons. Right here, somebody got down, they got 5, 5, they got 5, they got 5, they got 8, Bradley.
Perfect.
What's it? Perfect. All right. So perfection. Choice out of the wagons. Right here. So they got down. Give me 500. Hey, they got 5. Here they got 2.5. 200. 300. They got 2, 3. 300. 400. And they got 300. 4. 4. 300. 4 on the wagons. 300. 4. 4. They got 4 here. 350. It's 3 here. Half. Now 4. Now 4. Down 4, and then you're out 400, 75, 400, 400 everywhere. I'm gonna get 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, now 4 here, quarter, and 4 and a quarter, 4 here to 25, here, 4, then get 4 and a quarter, now 4, here, then get 425, 4, then get 4 and a quarter, now 4 and a quarter, 450, 450, 450, and quarter now half, now 75, now 5, then get 5 here, 75, 5, hit 5 here, 75, and I'm 5, 5 here, now 5, 5 here, 75, then get 5 here, now 4, 75, then get 500, last call. Sold them 475, you want them both, don't you? Takes one. I don't know the cost. You're leaving the gate open. 100. Now, Benjamin, come and give me 450 on this one. 450. And if they get 450, 300, 400. If they get 3, 4, 4, 3, down 4. If they get 3, 4, 4, down 3, 4. If they get 3, 4, 350. And 3, if they get 3.5 here, 350. On the other wagon, 3, if they get 3, if they get 3 and a quarter, 3 and a quarter, 350, 350, 75, 75, 75, 400. Hit 400, 400, 4 and a quarter, 4 and a quarter. Hit 4 here and 25. If they get 4, 4, 4, 4, if they get 425, 4 down, quarter. Sold him $400. He's a digging. What? I'm sorry. 159, 159. Boys on a good John Deere manure spreader.
Yeah.
All right, boys, you're gonna buy it right here on the spreader. Right here, somebody over here, right here. Boys, there is one nice spreader there. Right here, somebody got 3,500. They got 3, they got 3, they get 2. And they get 2,000. Give me a first 1,000 going to bring her. 500, 7.5. Bit of 5, he gets 750. Hit 500 now, 7.5. He gets 7.5 here, 750. At 5, he gets 7.5. He gets 7.5. He gets 7.5. He gets 7.5. It's 7.5. He gets 1,000. 7.5. 10. It's 7.5. Now 7.5. 10. 10. 10. 7.5. You're in. It's 7.5.
He's got 900.
It's 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 7,000, 800, 900, now 10. It's 10, 10, 11, 7, 11, 11, 11, 12, 12, 12 here. 11, 12 here. 1100, 1200, 11 here, now 12. 11, pull me up a tad. 12 here, 12 here, down 1200. 1112 here, now 12 there. Boys, that's a better spreader, and we got money, I can tell you that. Look at that thing. 11, 12, 11, 12 here, 11, 12 here, 11, 12 here, and now 12. Going to get 1150 and get back in, because I think it's too cheap. Look at the sides, look at the webs. Look at the beater. 1150 now, 11.5 here, 1150 all in, all done, and done. Sold them, $1,100. Senator Caledonia, too late, bidder number 136. All right, now you're going to buy the mower right here on a good mower. Right here, somebody over here. This is one of those Littlestons, wasn't it? Right here, somebody over here. They're going to get 1,500. They're going to get 15 here now. 1,000. They're going to get 500. 2.5. 2, 3. They're going to get 3. They're going to get 2 now. 3. They're going to get 300. 2, 3. Hit 2, 3. Bit of mine. They're going to get 2. They're going to get 3. They're going to get 2. 3. They're going to get 250. Now 3. Now 3. 2 them now 3. Hit 2 them and get 3. Now 3. 2 them now 3. 3. 2 them and get 3. 3. 3. We got a cylinder to bring that. Yeah. Hit 2.5. 3. Hit 2 them now 3. 3. 275. Hit 75. Hold him. Hit 75. 75 and die. Good thing I like you. So $250. Bidder number. Pull me up. Baylor time. Right here. Pull me up. Right here, boys. You're going to buy here on a John Deere baler. Then in there, Ronnie, she needs her number 21. Okay, boys, you're going to buy it right here on a good little baler here, right here on a 2014 PTO with your bell shoe. Right here, been stored right there in the shed. Right here, somebody going to get 2,500. They get 25, give it different divine, get 2, and 2 get the first 1,000. Let's go, take her out and get them worked now. 1,000, 500, 7.5, and a 5, give it 750. Hit 5 here, 7.5, 1,000, get 1,000. And we got a manual for that, do we, Debbie? We got a manual for it too. And the tarp in front of it, she says, goes with it because it's made for it. 1,000, 1,250. They get 12.5. They get 12.50. Hit 10, 12.5 to 11. Now 12. They get 12 here. They get 12 here. Hit 1,200. They get 12. They get 13. They get 13. They get 12. 13. 13. They get 13. Awful good shape. Hit 12. They get 13. They get 12 here. They get 13. They get 12. They get 13. 14. Hit 13. They get 14. They get 14. They get 14. They get 14. Are we done? 13, 14. Got it. What's he say? 1450? Oh, 13 and a half. 1,400. 13 and a half. Even get 14. Don't lose her now. 30, even get 14. Even get 14. 30, even get 14. 1,400. Yes or yes? Now half. And 1450. Now 15. I'm gonna get 15 here. 40. I'm gonna get 15. Now half. 15. 50. And I'm gonna get 15. But a half here. I'm gonna get 15. 59 here. Now I'm gonna get 15. 50. Sold them $1,500. Todd, what's your number?
This looks like an Oliver.
116. 116. All right. Okay, we're going to say a rake here. Is that an Oliver?
Yeah.
On still, it is an Oliver rake on the Oliver side delivery rake. Right here, Mr. Clough, thank you too for helping out here. Right here, somebody on the rake here on the Oliver. Somebody give 5 here. Give 2. Give $100 on the Oliver rake. Give $50 on this Oliver rake. The wheels are worth that. 25, they get 25, maybe they get 25, maybe they get 25 here now, 30, 50, you say 50, 35, maybe they get 25, maybe they get 35 on the Oliver rake. Get $30 on a good Oliver side delivery rake. 30, 40, and they get 40, down 40, they get 30, down 40, down 30, what are you yelling about now? 50, and 40, 50, they get 40 here, 50, and 40 here now, 50, they get 40 down, 50, they get 40 down, 50, they get $45 on the rake. At 40, they get 45.
Better not.
It is better than that. 40, we get 45 on the rake here and sold them $40 there. What's your number?
42.
42. Choice out on your John Deere sickle mowers. Right here, somebody got here. Somebody got 500 apiece. Somebody got 5. Somebody got 5. Give me 200 apiece and go. Somebody got 2. Give the first 100. 50, 75. Somebody got 75 here. 75 now 100. It's 75. 100 now 75. Little bond here now 75. 100 here now 75 now 100. 85. It's 75. 85. 95. 95. 95. 95. 105. 105. 115. 105. 115. 125. 125. 135. 35 here. 25. 135, 35 down, 35, 125, 135, but I'm on hills. Now 45, but I'm 45, 45, 135, but I'm 45, 35, but I'm 45. Sold them 135 clod, 1 or 2. Takes this second one here, and his buyer number is 61. Now you're going to buy the other one. Right here, I got this one. Sir, what do you want to pay on this one? Give me 50. I'm going to get the deal. I'm going to get 25, 50. $25, $50 on the other one. Get him in again. 25, 50. I'm going to get 50 here, 25 here. What if he needs a part again? 25, 50. I'm going to get 25, 50. Somebody get $35 on that sickle bar mower. Then 25, 35. I'm going to get 25. I'm going to get 35 here, 35. Thank you. 45. I'm going to get 35. I'm going to get 45. I'm going to get 35. I'm going to get 45. 35. I'm going to get 45. Claude, you want the owner 45. That's 35. I'm going to get 45. Young man, you want to get 45? Sold him $35. 32. Those covers go with it, don't they? All right, we're going to go right in. Now, boys, we're going to show you these crimpers here. These are a rare breed right here. If you've never heard of them, they're Ray Cunningham brand. I think they were made in Iowa, if I remember right. 6-foot PTO full-type hay crimpers, a model 858 and a 60 model. Choice out of either one of the crimpers. Right here, somebody have it got 300, have it got 3, give 2, have it got 2, give 100, have it got 50, 75, have it got 75 here, 75 on the crimpers, 50 now, 75, have it got 75, have it got okay, 50, 75, have it got 75 here, 75 here, now 75, have it got 60, have it got 60, all in, all done. $50, you want a boat? Takes the second one. Whatever model that one is. Now we're going to sell you the other one right here. Right here, somebody have it right here. Where the stick set's the one we're selling now. Right here, somebody get 50. Give me 25 to go again. 25, 35, 45, 45. Give me 40. 35, get 40, get 35, 40, get 35, 40, get 35, get 40. 35, same way. All right. Now we're going to sell you this plow. What do we got, a 4 bottom? Yeah, you're going to buy on it. I'll tell you what, I'm going to give you a choice of the 4 bottom or the 3 bottom. The manuals are laying there right with it. Choice of either plow. Right here, so they've got 500, they've got 5, 5, they've got 5 here, 100, 2, and I'm on the 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, they've got 2, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 3, it's 2, 3, they've got 2, they've got 3, 3. You were bidding 100, I already had 100 ahead of you, got to be 200. Or 150 if you want to do that. 150, now 2, now half, 2 and a half, and then you get 250, and 2, if you get 2 and a half here, now 3, if you get 3, 3, 3, 2, and then you get 3, if you get 3, 2, and then 3 here, 2, either plow, 2, and then 3, 3, 2, and then 3, give 275 anybody, and 2, if you get 275, if you get 75, if you get 75, now 3, if you get 3, 300, now 75, if you get 3, now 275, now 3, give 85, and 285 then, and 275 here, 285, 85, now 3, if you get 3, 3, 3, now 3, if you get 300, now 10, and if you get 310, 10, if you get 3, if you get 310, sold them 300 apiece, 4 or 3 or both. Takes the 3 bottom on 152. We got the 4 bottom left, the F145. Right here, so if you get 5, 5, if you get 5, give me 200 on this plow. Get the first 100. Now half of them on 50. 100 here, boys, you need another plow. 100 here, 100 on one here. You get done sooner, quicker. 100 here, 100 on one here, 150 now, 100 here, now, here, now, half of one here, 150. Give 100 a quarter. 150, 150, 175, 200, and 2 and a quarter, 250, and 250. If you get half, now 75, and now 300, and 275, and you get 3, 3, 275, and you get 300. Sold them 275, same way. Choice out of your John Deere harrows. One's got a hitch. You know what? We should sell the hitch separate, shouldn't we? We're going to give you a choice of the 2 harrows. The hitch will be sold afterwards, okay? Choice of the 2 harrows. Choice of either one. How? Give me $50 and let's go. $50 to start. The last one, last week brought 200. You better give me 50. I'll be fair. Who wants to get $50 on him? He'll give me 25. 50. It's 25. He's going to get 50 down. 75. 75. Now 100. Now 100. Now 100. Now 100. It's 75. 100. Now 75. I'm on here. Now 75. Now 100. 85. 95. How? 95. Then 95. 105. 105. 95. 105. 95. 105. 15. 115. How? Now 125. 15. 125. 15. 125. How buys $115? You want them both?
No, just this one.
Takes that set there on buyer number one. Is that 120? How? 120. All right, now you're going to buy the other set right there. Somebody give it 100. Give me 50, 25, 50. You're going to get 25. You're going to get 50 now. 75. Yeah, you're going to get 75 here now. 75 now. 100 now. 100 now. 85 then. 85, 85, 75, 85, 85. So $75. Hold on. I got to catch the hitch. Number 97. Now you're going to buy the hitch here, right here. Hey, Al, you're going to need a hitch too. Give me $10 on the hitch. 10, 15. You're going to need a hitch too. I got 10, 15. Here, I got 10. Here, I got 15. 12, 15. Here, I got 10. Here, 12 and a half. Sold them $10 now. All right, now we're going to say the steel wheel right here. Right here, somebody else on the here, 10, here, they get 50, they get 50 here on a, they get 50, they get 25, they get 25, give me 10, give $10 on it, give $5 on that steel wheel gear there, give me 5 on it, give 5 on it, anybody, watch yourself in the back, I don't know what, okay, right here, give me $5 on the steel wheels with the axle, that's worth that all day long, boys, give me $5 on it, give 5, give $2.50.
Steel wheels.
Yep. 5, they get 2, now 5, they get 5 here, so 2.5, they're number 64. Now you can buy this pair of, right there on the hair's hair, so they get 100, they get 50, 25, 35, you get 25, they get 35, they get here, now here, where's my man at? Who's got 25 on these hair? There he comes, Bradley, he's flying up here. Get 25 on that pair. They're John Deere's also, so they get 25, 35, they get 25, they get 35, get 30, they get 25, they get 30, so $25. All right, now you're going to buy a 2-section harrow with a hitch right here. So they get 200, they get 25, 50. It's a John Deere 25, 50, and they get 50 on the harrow. They get 25. They get it all for one money. At 25, they get 50, they get 35. They get 25, they get 35, and all be done. 25, they get 35. Anybody else? $35. You say it? 35. 25, they get 35. They get 20. Now what's wrong with this set? Is the teeth there? Are they missing? Can I not see them?
They're somewhat there.
They're somewhat there. Somebody get 25. You're buying it all. Give $20 on it. Give me 10, 15, 15, get 10, 15, 15, 12 and a half. Terry, how you doing? At 10, 12 and a half, 10, 12 and a half, get 10, 12, 50. So $10 bill, better number 64. We got a little, what do we got here? Right here, somebody let it out here, right here, somebody let it out here.
It's a wood splitter.
Yeah, part of a wood splitter, upside down. Right here, somebody let it out 50, give me 25, give me 25 here, 35 here, 25, 35, give me 25 here, 35. 35 on the log splitter, 30, red, 25, 35, get 25, get 35. So $25, buyer number 50. Now we're going to say the plow here. We got a 5 bottom.
Did you own that at one time?
What, somebody was hard on it, were they? It probably was me then. Right here, in another lifetime. Right here, somebody give $100 on it. Give 100 on that plow. Give 50, 50, 75. It's 75 now, 100. Now quarter, 125, 150. At 150 now, 75. At 175, now 75. It's 150 now, 75. Now 250, 250 now, 252 now, quarter. At 225, 252 now, 10. And get 10, 210. Sold them $200. 14, buyer 14. Okay, I'm going to give you a choice out of the disc. Hey, Bradley, where are you at? Where'd he go? Hey, Bradley.
I think he went to the barn.
All right, you're going to buy it right here on the disc.
Right.
Hey, Bradley. Hey, Bradley.
Yeah, probably.
Hey, Bradley.
Stalks flow over so bad.
Don't forget, it's about time. All right, choice out here on the disc here. Right here, somebody get 1,200, give $1,000. Hey, they get $1,000. choice out of either disc. Give it a 500 to go. 2.5, 500. Good to the 5 here. Get $300 on a disc. Hit it at 3, 4. Hit 3, 4. Hit it at 3, hit it at 4, 4 now. 3, hit it at 4 now. 350. At 3, hit it at 3.5 on a disc. Hit it at 3, hit it at 3.5. Hit it at 3, hit it at 3.25. At 3 here now 25. Hit it at 3 and 3.25. All we done. 3, hit it at 3.25. Last call. 3.25. Sold them. $300. You want them both? Hey, you can't split them up. That's the way it is. Yeah. Right there, he takes the first one. All right, you're going to buy it right here on the other one. Hit it at 3, 3, 2, 2. Give $100. Let's go. Somebody got 100, 100, 50, 75. 75 here. Hey, you're in for 50 on this one, okay? 75, take it. Now you're going to be 100, though. It's 75 now, 100 now, 75 on the one here now, 75 now, 185. It's 75, hit it at 85, hit it at 75, hit it at 85, 85, 95, 95, 105, 105, 105, 105, 105, 105, 115, 15, 125, hit it 125, hit it 125, 125, now 35, 125 at 135, 25 at 135. So $125. Our number 164. Okay, boys, get about on the picker. The manual is there. It's been stored inside. I don't think it's been used for a while, but it has been stored inside. Right here, somebody hit it at 1,500, hit it at 15 to 15, get 1,000, hit it at time, give me 500 to go, 5, hit it at 5, get 250, hit it at 2.5, now 5, gonna be 5 top, 5 here, 7.5, hit 7, hit it at 1,000, hit it at 1,000, hit it at 12.50, hit it at 12.5, down 12.50, hit 10 here, 12, hit it at 10 here, 12.50, and 10, give it 1,100 top, hit 10, 11, hit it at 11 here, now 12, hit it at 12 here, now 12 here, gonna be 12, it's gonna be 12, 13, 12.5, 13, you're in, 13, now half, now you're out, 13.50, either one of you, 30, 13.50, 13.5 here, Todd, 30, 13.5 here, 30, 13, the man in the orange hat is in, at 30, 13.50, 13.5 here to buy, 13.50, 13.5, and are we done, 13.50, and I sold him $1,300, orange hat, what's your number? He's a digging. 137. Hey, I think it's a Pittsburgh field cultivator. Out here, somebody have it right here. We got 3, 2, 2, give the $100 on it. Give $100 on it. Give $100 on the cultivator. You got some rough ground. You might want to use this. Give $100 on it. Give 50. Everybody get 50. 25, 50. 25. Everybody get 50 now. 25. Everybody get 50 now. 25. Everybody get 50. 35. 25 there now. 35. Everybody get 25. Everybody get 35. You want in, fellas? 35 on the cultivator. 25. Everybody get 35. Anybody else? Last call. At 25. 35, and I sold them $25, number 126. Okay, we got a little John Deere with a 7 shank, was it? I forget. Right here, 2, 4, about 7, isn't it? Right here on a 7 shank, 3-point. Right here, somebody have it in here, right here, nice little piece here. Somebody have it at 1,000, somebody got 500, somebody got 5, somebody got 5, somebody got 250, and they got 2.5 here, now somebody got $100, who wants her? 50, 75, and now 100, now half, and 1 here to win, 50, now 2, somebody got 2, now half, and now 3, somebody got 3, somebody got 3, now half, somebody got 3, 50, and 300, somebody got half, here, somebody got 3, somebody got 3, 50, and 300 and a half, here, somebody got 3, somebody got 3, now we get 3.25. Clyde, do you bought anything yet today? Here's an opportunity. You're in the best seat in the house. 3.25, 350, and then 3.25, 350, and 3.25, hit it at 3.5, hit it at 325 here, 50, 3.5. Brad's got the money at 3.25, $350. Anybody else? 350. Sold them $325. Bidder number 21. Boys, you talk about a nice little packer right here. In transport here, got the manual there. What do you guys want to pay here? Somebody get here, 2,000, 1,500, and 500, 7.5, and a 5, here, 7.5 here, 750, now 1,000. It's 7 down, Brad, you're out, 7 10, 10, 7 down, right here, Pac-Man, 7 1,000. It's 7.5, here, down, 7 10, 10, 10. Boys, these are harder and harder to come by. It's 7.5, here, down, 7 1,000. 7 $800, anybody? 7,800 here now, 800. Do you want back in or not? Because Mom will sell it. It's 7,800. Sold them $750. Bidder number 117. Okay, you're going to buy this one here. This is a John Deere, isn't it? You're going to buy the John Deere right here. Somebody have it in here, right here with the cylinder. Right here, somebody else right here, right here, somebody else here, get 2, here, get 25, somebody get 25, here, 25, here, get 20 on the roll here, somebody get 25, get 10, here. Who's got $500 on this piece? Get 500, 200, 300, here, get 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, here, get 3, 3, 4, and get 3, now 4, and here, Ronnie, here, get 3, here, then 4, here, 400, 500, 600, 600, 700, 700, 800, 900, 900, 9, here, 8, 9, here, 9, here, 9, here, 900, 809, here, now, here, 9, here, 850, is that what he said? 850, sir, you know you're out. You want back in? If not, I'm going to sell it. Here, 850, going once, going now 9, now half, now 50, the 9, here, 950, the 9, here, and a half, here, 9, here, 959, here, and a half, here, 950, anybody else? 950, if I'm missing somebody, 9, here, 950, going once, going twice, and I sold him $900. 100. We got a sheet that needs run in. Right, boys, you talk about a cute little John Deere field cultivator here. You don't find them like this anymore. Right here, somebody, I'm going to get 500. I'm going to get 5 here. Get the first 100. Let's go. Here now 50, now 100, now 100 there, now 50, now 100 there, now 50, now 100 there, now 75. It's 75, and 75 here, 75 here, 75 on the field cultivator. 50, 75, 75. Miller, is that you? I missed it. You 50, 75, 75, 75. Sold him $50 bill.
Mark Murphy.
Mark Murphy. All right, boys, gonna buy on the cultivators. Right here, John Deere. Right here, somebody got right here, right here. I got 300, I got 3 and 3, I got 3 and 3. Give me 200 on them. Give 2. Somebody got $100 and go. Somebody got $100 on them. Get 50. And I get 50 here. Somebody get 50. Who's got $25 on those? 25, 50. I get 25. I get 50. I get 35. At 25 and 35 in here. 25, 35, 45. At 45, 45. Hey, you get a bit more once. Hit 35 here, 45, hit it again, 45, 45, you want in? Now 55, sir. 55, 45, hit it again, 55, 45, hit it again, 55.
Look at what they brought last
I know. Look what they brought last week. That's right. Last week. Hit 45, 55, 45, hit it again, 55. Sold them $45. Put them on buyer number 16. We got a little John Deere sprayer, right here. Somebody got the manual there with it again. Got the PTO pump with it right here. Somebody got 3, somebody got 3, somebody got 2. Get the first 100. Let's go. 100. Somebody got 25, 50. Somebody get 25. Somebody get 50. Hit 25 there. Now 50. Now 75. Somebody get 75. 75. 75. Now 100. Now 100. Now quarter. 125. 150. 175. 150. 175 here. Now 70. But you go to Roll King and buy an AT new one. It's not half the one. This thing. Give me 175. 150. 175, 150, 160, and 150, 160. Sold $150 there. Put them on buyer number 153. I'm going to give you a choice out of these two dandy planters. Choice out of the 494 John Deere planters. Choice out right here with markers. Right here, or one's got 1.5, I guess. Right here, somebody have it right here, down here, down here. Somebody got $1 here, somebody got 500. Somebody got 5 here. Somebody get $250 a planter. $250. $200 who's in. 102. And I'm on the 2, 2, 1. Hit it, 2, 2, 1. Hit it, 200. Hit 1, 2. Hit it, 2, 2, 1, 2. $150. $150 now, 2. Hit 150. Hit it, 200. 100. Hit it, 2. Here, Brian. Wouldn't be far to take it home. 100 half, 2. And I'm going to get 2, 2. 1. I'm going to get 2, 2. 175, everybody. Whoever yelled, 150, 175, and 150, 175 on the planters, and 150, 175 here, so 160 if it helps anybody. 150, 160. He's going to take them both, isn't he? 150, 160. Sold $150. You want them both, don't you?
Takes them both.
Takes them both. Fine. What's this number?
152.
152. Now, whoa. We got to catch the planter plates, Bradley. We got cast iron or we got plastic. Choice of either box. Right here, somebody get 25, somebody get 25. Get $20. 10.
Got 5.
5, 10. If I turn out 10, 15. They get 15, up 15, 20. Now 20. Now 5. Then 25, 30. They get 30. Now 5. They get 35. They get 40. They get 40. They get 35. They get 40. If you need them, are worth it. Now 5, 45, 45, $50. And now 50. Sold $45. And you want one or both?
Both.
Times 2. That's our table, I do believe. Okay, now, boys, I'm going to say on a good John Deere FBB drill. Now, the seeder is separate. It was off of us, so we're selling the seeder separate. But a very clean little drill here. Double disc there and all. Got the manual there. Got a cylinder. Clean. And Paul, have you ever seen one with a tin sign in there on the inside? It's not cardboard, it's tin. That white one. Right here, somebody with it here. I don't believe I've ever seen one with a 10 sign. Right here, somebody with it here, with it here. 1,500, give it 15 to 15, give it 1,000, give it 1,000, give it 1,000, give me 500 to go. 500 is in, 2.5, give it 2, give it 2, 15, give it 2, 3, it's 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 3, 4, and give it 3, 4, 4, 5, it up here, 600, and a 5, give it a 5, give it a 5 here, 600, now 7, and now 8, 8, 8, now 9, now 10, and 10, 10, 9, 10, and now 11, now 12, 11, and 12 here, now 12, and it here, now 12, 11, and 12 here, 11.50, sir, and 11 now here, now 50, and 11 and a half here, 11 and a half here, 11 and 50 now here, now 12, and 12, now half, and 12, 50, 12 here, to get over here, now 50, 12 here, 12 here, now 50, 12 here, 12 here, 12, 50, 12 and a half, sir, you want back in, 12 times, now 13, now half, 13, now 50, 13, now half here, take another drink, sir, 13, 50, 13 and a half here, now 13, 50, 13 and a half, I got the money over here, 13, gonna be a half here, 13, 50, 13 and a half here, 13 and a half here, did you do it? 13 and a half, gotta go, now 14, now 14, now half, 14, 50, 14, 50, 14 and a half here, 14, 50, $1,450, now 15, now half, 15, half, 15 and a half here, 15 and a half here, 15 and a half, 15, 50, 15 now half, gotta go, 15 and a half here, go now half. So $1,500 here, bidder number 11. You're gonna buy here on the grass seeder, right here. So give me 200 on the seeder. It's 200, 2, what am I gonna do? 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 100 and a half. Now 2, what am I gonna do here? If 1. 200, 1, down to 1, 2, boys, you're not going to find a cedar like that. 100 half 2, 1, 2, 175, and 151, 75, 1, now 1, somebody needs that. 150, 175, and all done. Sold, $150, folks. You've got a nice little giant here. Got brand new tires. They just put new tires on it this week. Right here, we're going to buy all the ear corn. Does anybody want that ear corn piece sold separate? No? Okay, you're buying the whole shebang. Little giant there and all, so they're nice one. Still got some paint on the paddles. Been inside. What are you going to pay? Here, they got 2,000, they got 2, get 1,000. And they got time, here, they got 500 to go. 2.5, 500, and 500, 7.5. And about 7, they got 1,000, they got 1,000, 7, 10, 12, 50. If 10 here, 12, they got 10, 10, 12, 50. And 10, here, they got 12, 10, 10 here, 12, 50. Be awful hard to find one any nicer.
You're not
with
going
new
to.
tires, 10, 12 and a half, here we get 10, 12, 50, and 10, here we get 12, 11, now 12, here we get 12 here, now 12, here we get 13, here we get 12, here we get 13, here we get 12 here, 13, here 12, here we get 13, here we get 12, here we get 12, 50, and 12 here to the half here, you want to do it, 12, here we get 12, 50, sold them $1,200, bidder number 41, all right. Right here, you're going to buy a 3-point carryall. Right here, somebody with it here, say, they get 200, they get 25, 50, they get 25 here, now 50. Used to be here to 25, they get $35 on the carryall. 35, 45, here they get 45 there, 35, yes sir, now 45, here they get 30 Miller, do you want it? And 35, they get 40, they get 35, here they get 40, to 40, now 50, now 50, now 50, now they get 45, then 40, they get 45, 40, they get 45, everybody else? Sold $40, 153. We're going to sell you that hog feeder on the hog feeder. Give me $5 on the metal hog feeder. Give $250 on the hog feeder. 2.5, 5. You get 2.5, 5 here.
Right here.
That's the feeder. 2.5, 7.5, 7.5, 7.5, now 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 12.5, 15, 15, 15. Sold 12.50. Buyer number is it 20? 33. Now I'm going to sell you the water. Right here, give me 100 on the hog water. So they get 100, they get 25, they get 25, 10, 20, 10, 20, they get 10, 20, they get 20, 30, 20, they get 30, now 20, they get 30 Miller. You need that? 20, 30, they get 20, they get 25 on the water. Now 30, now 30, now 30, and now 30, now 5, and now 40, and now 40, and now 40, and now 40. Here 35, 40, they got 5 here, 40, now 5, 45, now 50, and now 50, now 45, now 50, now 45, 50. Sold $45. 153. You're going to buy this hog feeder here. We get a 6-hole hog feeder, 6-hole hog feeder, or 12. Right here, somebody right here, somebody got 200, they got 2. Good shape. Who's got the first $100 on it? Let's go. 100, thank you. Now half, now 2, we get 2, now half, 2 and a half, now 3, and now 3, now half, 3 and a half, 350. Then 3 here, 3, don't go try to buy a new one. 3, we get 3 and a half, we get 3, we get 3 and a quarter. We get 3, 325, 3 and a quarter. Sold them $300. Bidder number 113. We got 2 extra doors there. Give me $5 on those hog doors. $250 on those doors. 2 and a half. Keep them with the man who bought it. All right, we're going to give you a choice out of these 2 hog feeders, round hog feeders. Right here on the packs, right here. Somebody got 200 apiece. Somebody got 2, 2, 3. Somebody got 2, somebody got 3, 3, 2, 3. Somebody got 250. Now 3. Somebody got 3, somebody got 3, somebody got 3, 3. Now half. Somebody got 3, now 4. Now 4. Now half. 4 and a half. 4 and a half. 500. 500. Now half. It's 550. Somebody got 5. Somebody got 5 and a 5 here. 5 and a quarter. And now 50. 5 and a half. 75. And a 5 and a 5. 75. 75. 600. And 5. 75. Somebody got 600. 600 now quarter. And now 25. 60. 25. Somebody got 6 and a quarter. Sold them 600 apiece, 1 or 2.
Takes one.
Takes 1, and your number right here going the other one. Brad, what's he got to start this? Get 300? 300. Who's got 300? Let's go again.
100.
Don't work me so hard.
100.
200, 100 and a half, 2, 1 to get 2, now half here, to get 3, now 3, now half, now 4, now 4, now 4, now half, now 5, put them in a 5, 5 here, put them in a 5, 5 here, 500, now half, 550, now 600, if I get 5, and everything here, 5, and everything here, 5, and everything here, 5, and everything 600 here, now 50, and now half here, give a quarter, and now 25, give it a 5, give it a quarter, show them $600 there, bidder number, he's a big number 161.
Hey, got a vintage.
Hey, Glenn says this is a good brand, Miller.
Well, let's see her. Get her
Yeah,
in.
it's a Heller. It's a Heller Hour out of Napoleon, Ohio. Right here on the water, right here. Somebody got 100 here. Somebody got 100. Miller didn't know your last name was Heller. Right here, he didn't know. Right here, somebody got 100. Somebody got 50. Give me $50 on the water. 50, 75. Somebody got 75 here now. 75. Somebody got 75. Somebody got 60. 60 now. Somebody now. 80 now. 90 now. 90 Brad now. 90. 80. Somebody got 90 now. 90 now. 100 now. 100. 90. Hit him on the ball. 90. Hit him on the ball. 90. Hit him on the here now. 100. Sold $90 there.
33, isn't it?
33.